Hey, 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 whoa. What's going on, everybody? I just want to tell you one thing only, only one. I promise. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button for your boy. Share this video with your friends and family. Dislike the video if you don't like this video. All I'm trying to do is bring positive energy and, motivational tools and inspirational quotes and things of that nature to help you get through your days, your weeks, your months, and your years. But I'm aware that you can't please everybody. I'm in the process of trying to change the world, literally. So I know I can't please everybody. Not everybody's going to understand what I'm talking about or why I'm doing what I'm doing. But if you love the energy, if you love the motivation, if you love the good vibrations that I bring on every single video, every single day, then you're going to hit that subscribe button right now. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. I'm going to get my coach voice ready because I do train people on a day-to-day basis. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and subscribe. All right, let's get into the message today. I want to talk about extrinsic value versus intrinsic value because it's been a big talk every single day this week, and I've loved the talks with some of the clients that I've trained this week, and like I said, it's been very, very interesting, and I just want to touch on it a little bit more. Like I said, I don't want to take too much of your time. I never want to take too much of your time, but if you have 3 to 5 minutes, maybe even 6 minutes, watch this video. Check this out really, really quick. So how many of you are motivated by external things? Money, the nice house, the nice car, the nice clothes. And it's okay. It doesn't make you a bad person if you're like, oh yeah, I'm motivated by that stuff, because it's almost like, well, how could you not, like, to have all these people be like, yo, he got the, he or she got the, nice car, nice house, things like that, just so people can give you kudos. Like I said, it doesn't make you a bad person. But the reason why there's a lot more, or not a lot more, millionaires, billionaires, successful entrepreneurs, successful people in the world, and this is just my opinion, people think, or people assume, they are almost 100% sure that their external motivations is going to be the thing that takes them to the promised land, when in fact, it's only there to get you started. I'm going to say that right now. Your external or extrinsic motivations, they're only there to get you going, to get you started, but they're not going to keep you going. When that wall comes, they're not going to get you through the wall. They're going to have you running full speed, and you come up to the wall, you're going to come to a dead stop, and you're not going to know how to get around or get through the wall. And that's where your internal or your intrinsic motivations come in. So that's where you start asking the questions like, who am I doing this for? Why am I doing what I'm doing? What's the purpose? What's my sole purpose for what I'm doing? What's my purpose for being here on this earth? Because at some point you have to figure out something deeper than your external. Your external things are not going to get you to the promised land, but they do help as far as getting you started. But to get you through those barriers and those walls, because I don't know who told y'all, but the walls are going to come. The failures are going to come. The mishaps, life doesn't ever go the way we thought it should. If it was up to us, life would be all perfect. But what's the fun in that? Where's the mystery in that? That's why there's not a lot of millionaires. There's not a lot of successful people in the world, because people assume that this goal or this dream that they have in their mind is going to be a straight shot, when in fact, it's going to go left. It's going to go right. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. It's going to go backwards. It's going to go crisscross. It's going to go all in these different directions for you to get to the same goal. And I want you to remember that just because your life seems like it's going out of order, like it's going in different directions, that doesn't mean that whatever your end goal was in the beginning, that doesn't mean that has changed. It's still the same. But when those walls come, when you have to take the detours, like I said, your internal motivations, those are the things that are going to keep you going. When you hit that wall, you're going to run through that wall because of your internal motivations, not your external. So by the time you get to your goal, whatever the goal was, everything external was just, the cherry on top. Your internal is going to make you appreciate the journey that you took to get there. Because let me tell you this, we don't want to hear about everything that you got, all the money that you've made. That's really not motivating for people. I think, and anybody who does that, I think you're doing people a disservice. We need to start telling people the journey that we went through to get there. That's more motivating, because everybody in the world is going through something right now, and a lot of people don't like talking about it. A lot of things are handling things on their own, dealing with things on their own, and they don't know how to get through whatever they're going through. But if we, as entrepreneurs, as public figures, just positive people in the world, if we can start telling people like, man, I went through this. and I still got here. They left me for dead and I still got here. They didn't think I would do it. They wrote me off back then and I still got here. That's more motivating than you just saying, oh yeah, I'm a millionaire. So what? Who cares about you being a millionaire? Who cares about you having all these successful businesses? How many times did you fail before you got that successful business? That's what I want to know. That's what people truly want to know. They may not say it, but if you read people's energy, you read people's body language, they'll tell you everything that you need to know. Those external things only get you started. Your internal motivation are gonna be the thing that keep you going. Remember that. I hope y'all have a super fantastic day. Hopefully you felt the energy. Hopefully you're ready to get after it, man. Hopefully. I hope so. I hope. I mean, I just gave you all this energy. I hope that you are motivated and ready to rock and roll, because I'm gonna tell you, your goals and everything, your dreams and stuff, they're really counting on you, and they're waiting to be caught. They're waiting to be achieved. But if you aren't ready to run through those walls when they come, if you aren't ready to climb those mountains when they come, I hate to break it to you, I don't know if you'll ever get there, or you'll have a rough time. Your goals, keep them where they are. Your dreams, keep them where they are. But you got to be ready to run through those walls. How bad do you want it? That's a question you got to ask.